Where to find or delete search history on Facebook app. So if you want to find or delete the search history on your Facebook app, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon, scroll down and then tap on settings and privacy. And now you need to go with the privacy shortcuts option or the privacy center. Tap on that and it will take you to this kind of interface where you just need to simply go with an option of access your information. But if you don't have that option, just go back and then tap on settings. Under settings, scroll down and under your information, you will have access your information option. Tap on that and then tap on continue and choose Facebook, and it will take you to this kind of recent activity center. So from here, what you need to do is go with see more recent activity and tap on see more. And here you just need to simply go with clear searches, and that's it. That's how you can find or delete your search history on your Facebook app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.